So hey, welcome back to my Two Good Hands video. We are into the solar system project for the RV. We're in front of the RV. We've got the battery open here. You look in the back, you can see I use a rubber cord up to there to hold this open because Thor didn't make a way for that to latch open. We thought about making something that maybe we will in the future, and we will definitely post a video for that for you. Hey, so what we've got is we're going to get the battery hookup done. So first thing we got to do is go underneath and put our temperature sensor for our battery on there. And then we're going to hook up the power, and then we're going to go work on the controller. Don't forget Amazon links below. Hey, use an Amazon link. Shop for something, buy anything, help support the channel. We appreciate it. Like and subscribe, post notifications on. Here we go. So stay tuned here. We are going to get this job finished. We promise that this is probably the last episode or second to last. We might do a follow-up after we run it for a while. So there you go. Let's get her going. So we've got our wires here. The wires are pretty easy. We're just going to tuck them up through here. Those are going to go to the batteries. We're just going to kind of pull them through, push them up into there, let them lay there. Now this is our temperature sensor, and we brought some paper towels so we can wipe off our battery real good here, because they tell you to take this and tape it to your battery. We're going to bring it around the strap once, and we're going to tape it here. We've got it's like duct tape, but it's actually Gorilla Tape. Bring a piece of that out. Cut a piece off. We're going to take and hold this right here like this and tape it to the battery real tightly here. Once we get that tape down there tightly, we're going to put another piece of tape over it that's a little bigger so that it won't come loose from there. Got that tightened down there pretty good. Two pieces of tape that should hold it. We got this wire going up here like this. That's the one out of here. We're going to add another tie wrap right here. So here we are. We got a couple wires to hook up. We can look at our battery. We can see that the negative is here. You can see that with a light. There's the negative for the battery there. There's the hookup, but that's, if we hook to here, the problem will be when we unhook this, we're not charging this battery, we're only charging this one. So we're going to try to charge them both. So we're going to look at using this screw. I'm hoping it's long enough. And then over here, we've got the positive right here. So let's see if we can get that going first. Again, don't ground yourself out if you're doing this way. Because obviously you don't want to do that. So let's see if we can get this to go loose here. That ain't the right socket. It's too big. Let's try this one. Oh, looks like that's our one for there. Again, be careful not to ground yourself out as you do this. Take our washer off, and we take our positive lead and put it over that. Put this down there. Later, we can label these wires solar and such. Okay, good and tight on that one. Now comes the tricky one. That's that one. I think you can still see that, right? You can see this, right? Yeah, you can see that. Change the socket here because I know this is the bigger one. And we got two concerns here. One is, will the bolt be long enough? Because we got 3 wires going in there. Number 2 is, will it go through our connector? And that might be where our problem comes in. And see, here's the problem. This will not go through our connector. So we're going to have to open this up. A couple of ways we can open it up. We're going to start by just trying to drill it open. So we're going to go get our drill set up and see what we can do. I see we drilled this one open. Try it. Keeps grabbing it away from there. Very hard to hold. Woo. Okay, looks like we got it through anyhow. See if our bolt will fit through there. Cool. So tell you what, we're going to go clean up our terminals a little here. So let us go get something to clean them up. We surely got that one. This one. I'm going to get this one through there. Put this one under here. Like this. Gonna put the part of the socket wrench on here. Get this one up here. That's good, it's down in there. Okay, so that's got that done and that's in. You can put your fingers on the wires, see if you feel any heat. You don't. No, we're good. So let's go upstairs and see about firing up our controller. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is pull this plastic off so we can see it. Looks like we got a white light on the one. I think that means our battery's hooked up. That's all that means. I have to go through our manual here. I don't remember how to turn it on. Press and hold the right button for 3 seconds. Huh. Okay. That didn't do anything. We definitely got power to it. I see that. Okay, so let's go back to the beginning. We'll bring you back. We'll figure it out. So we actually had it on and didn't realize it because the display can't really be seen without shining a light on it. So hopefully now you can see the display down there. Not sure you can see it. You can see we got 12.4 volts. That's cool. Now it says we got to select the battery type. So let's see. Let's go back to how do you program this thing. Okay, battery type. So the battery type says, I don't know what it says there. It's hard to read, but it's that one there. And it's not on lithium, I don't think, but it could be. So what we're going to do is we're going to press and hold this for 3 seconds. Okay, so now we see the battery light is flashing. So we are definitely a go there. Click the up and down. Okay, so that's the first one. Can't really read those. I think that's it. I gotta go get a magnifying glass. I can't read that little print. Back with a magnifying glass. We're hoping we can make it work from there. Yeah, it's the one we want. All right, so that's flood. It's the next step. Okay, let's get the battery done. What voltage are we set at? We don't know. Okay, so to get it out of this mode, we just hold this button down for 3 seconds. Okay. See, our Bluetooth is lit. So before we do anything with the Bluetooth, let's get our lock off of here. And took the lock off the panel. We're going to turn our light up on here. And we're going to turn the switch on. Yep, it shows we're charging. And we're moving up. So remember we were 12.4. Now we're at 12.5. And see the light for the solar panel? Watch, if I turn this, see that light go off? Light come back on. That means we're right there. See, the solar panel's active. So we're using the solar panel to charge the battery. See, we're up to 12.5 now. And if you look real close right here, you can see the little arrows moving. So that's cool. We're going to stop here and see if we get the Bluetooth to work. So we're doing this without the Bluetooth on the... We don't want too much interference here. But what we're going to do is we're going to take this back to the beginning. And we're going to go to the App Store, if we can find it on here. Right here, Play Store. And we're going to put in, up here, Renogy. R-E-N-G-Y. Whoop, we left the O out. So, hopefully you guys can see that. O. So, Renogy Bluetooth app came up. I'm going to go to that. There it is. DC Home Energy. Going to install. And it's going to take a little while to install. Continue. No. You don't have to add any of that. Skip. You don't need to pay for this free app. You paid money for the controller. It's a free app. Next. So now we can click. Oh, it's still loading. It's 33% done. 100% done. Installing. So then you can open it. Comes up with a beautiful little screen. Give it a minute. Maybe more than a minute. Here we go. Allow. You have to have a login. And we're going to do a login. Now I'm not going to show you. So here it says allow. Yes, you have to allow to make it work. So you can see the screen you get at the beginning. Hit plus. That maybe hit plus. It's not letting me hit plus. There we go. It hit plus. All right. So now it says add a device. Click add a device. Searching for devices. Tells you note that your Bluetooth. Yeah. Confirm. It's going to search. You have to allow. Turning the Bluetooth on. It's finding devices. Here you go. It found that device. That's the one we want. Confirm. Okay, controller on. And there you go. You can see now it's got the same display as the other phone. Ain't that cool? So there you go. We are charging. You can see now we're down to 3 watts. But again, the sun is setting here, folks. So why do we only charge at 3 watts with our 200-watt panel? See the sun there going behind the trees already. So we're like almost no sun on the roof. So it's on a big angle. You can see here, it's charging. It doesn't really tell us the wattage there. You can see here, we got the wattage going on, and you can see the flow. That's kind of cool. Hey, so don't forget, like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. Hey, solar panel on the RV where we are ready to boondock. Now, so we're going to eventually take a trip here. Maybe there. Got a lot of little things we're doing, so stay tuned. Like and subscribe, post notifications on. Do not miss this video. Don't miss the other videos. We're always going to save you money on this channel by the do-it-yourself. Like and subscribe, post notifications on, and please use the Amazon links below to shop. It helps support all the work you see here. We do appreciate it. Thank you from My Two Good Hands.